Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We got this Cavalier 2002 over here with the ground effects. Got the body kit on there. Got fresh paint on there. I put the Phantom Black on there. Oh man, it's looking right, man. Y'all shoot me an offer, man. It's for sale, so y'all let me know. You know, ain't really nothing too special, but it's a little cool little gas saver. It got a little style about itself. You know, it's like a baby Camaro, man. What y'all think? Baby Camaro, baby Vec. Let me stop, man. This motherfucker look clean. I like how that shit look. Like you see metallic flakes in it, especially when the sun hitting it. See all the flakes in it. Yeah, it's looking good, looking right. They got the upgraded interior. The upgraded, a little more cushier, a little more comfortable. The material's way better. I ended up putting this steering wheel cover on there. Put the steering wheel cover on there. I changed the shift knob and got it all cleaned up. It's all looking good. Got it cleaned all up. Got the floor mats in there. You gotta have the new floor mats. You got to. Get the back. It's pretty clean. It's a pretty clean little car. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean, man. Crank this bad boy up for you guys. It drives pretty smooth. A gas sipper. They got the 2.2, not the Ecotech, the one before the Ecotech. Motor sounding good, sounding right. Sounding good. Oh yeah. Put this power steering pump on there. Put a new battery on there. We all good to go. Take it around the block. I ain't put my seatbelt on first, man. Can't afford no tickets, man. My head's driving good. Got the sunroof that don't work. The sunroof don't work, so it's kind of like a moon roof. You know, like a glass top, like how they put in the Corvettes. You know, it don't pop off or nothing, but it looks good. All right, man. Good. All in the way. Hey, y'all shoot me an offer, man. It ain't gonna be that much. It ain't gonna be over 2,000. Y'all shoot me an offer if y'all interested. And no, I don't ship unless you want to pay. I could hook up with the shipment guy. If you want to ship, we could arrange that, but I don't have no shipping company. You have to pay them or send me all the money, and then you send me the money, then I'll pay him to go send it or whatever. You set that up, so it'll be extra basically. Want me to ship. But yeah, I mean, it's not a bad little car. It runs good. It's raggedy ass road. It's 29th Street, raggedy ass road. Well, yeah, just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!